Make a stone crystal fidget mandala with me. Let's go! Gather our tools. Let's pick some beautiful beads. ASMR warning. Let's add a very special crystal. These beads are so expensive that I keep them inside a safe. Moonstone. That looks great. Now we prepare 2 rings with loops. And then we add our beads. Close the loops. Now we prepare the arches. Use any object to curve the wire. Let's speed this up. We assemble the arches one by one. 2 crowns around the beaded ring. Do this so we have 2 halves. I use banding wire to connect both halves. Wrap the wire slowly. Tidy up the wire with pliers. And there we have it! Unwind with this extraordinary 3D wire mandala. Transforms into dozens of elegant shapes. This is not your average fidget toy. Explore every inch of this piece. Also comes with the crystal information guide. Available on Mandala shop. Thanks for watching.